The forest, the stream, and the empty boat. A journey to inner peace. I am walking through a lush forest, the earthy scent of moss and damp earth filling the air. As I walk deeper into the heart of the forest, the world around me hums with life. The rustling leaves whisper secrets of ancient times, and the gentle breeze caresses my skin like a comforting hand. The earthy aroma of moss and damp soil fills my senses, grounding me in the present moment. My footsteps are soft against the forest floor, each step leading me farther into the sanctuary untouched by the chaos of the world. Then, faintly at first, I hear the sound of flowing water, a delicate, rhythmic song that calls to me like an invitation. I follow the sound, my heart beating at quiet anticipation until I come upon a stream meandering through the forest. The water glistens under the dappled sunlight, reflecting fragments of the sky above. The stream flows steadily, neither hurried nor still, a perfect metaphor of passage of time. I sit on the grassy bank, allowing my body to rest and my mind to wander. I begin to reflect on life, its complexities, its beauty, the burdens that I carry, the weight of the worries, fears, and lingering regrets press down on me like stones in my chest. Yet, the stream's steady flow reminds me that nothing is permanent. The water moves forward, never clinging to what it leaves behind. As I sit in this peaceful haven, I wonder if I too can learn to let go. Just then, something unusual catches my eye. From a distant bend in the stream, a small wooden boat appears, gliding towards me as if propelled by an invisible force. The boat is empty, swaying gently with the rhythm of the water, and it stops right at my feet. It feels as though the forest itself had sent me this vessel, a silent messenger offering a chance for release. Without hesitation, I close my eyes and imagine gathering all my troubles into a bundle. My fears, my doubts, and the sadness take shape, and I gently place them in the boat. I watch as the boat drifts away, carrying my burdens with it. The current takes the little vessel around the bend and it disappears from view, swallowed by the forest's endless embrace. An overwhelming sense of lightness washes over me. The heaviness I have been carrying for so long lifts like mist evaporating in the morning sun. My heart beats freely, unchained from the weight of sorrow, and I feel deep, unshakable peace. The forest seems to echo my transformation. The birds sing a little louder. The breeze dances through the trees, and the entire world vibrates with the quiet joy I now feel. As I make my way back through the forest, every step feels like a celebration of newfound freedom. The sunlight filtering through the canopy feels warmer, and the colors of the forest seems more vivid, as though nature itself is reflecting my happiness. My soul, unburdened and light, radiates joy into every corner of the forest. I walk with a renewed spirit, grateful for this unexpected gift of peace, knowing that whenever life's troubles return, I can always find solace in nature's quiet wisdom.